In this video, I'm going to show you how to author the C106 pie chart component. We're going to place this on your giving history page. So I searched for the pie chart in the components in the side panel here, and I'm going to drag and drop that onto the page between the globe and a scrolling slideshow component. And I'm just going to go ahead and open that and author it. So before I actually author it, let me just give you a quick preview. This is what we're going for here. We're going to show our donors giving by region, and we're going to break that out into, I'm going to break it out into continents, basically, Latin America, Africa, and North America. Latin America is not a continent, but you understand. So I'm going to start here with our headline, and we're going to call this your major gifts by region, and subhead will go with where you have focused your support over the years. The source for this is just the Nature Conservancy, because this is just coming from our records of our donors giving. But of course, if you were using this chart for something else, and maybe you were charting forest makeup, you might have a different source. Okay, so the source path, we're not going to have a source path on that because we're not going to give away that information about our donors giving. The chart alt text, you should describe what is shown in the chart. So in case someone can't see it. So in this case, it's going to be a pie chart, and funding will be divided between Africa, Latin America, and North America. Okay, so I'm going to align the headline left, so I'll just go ahead and leave that. And now I'm going to add my first series. So a series is a slice of the pie. So my first series is going to be Africa. And 45% of my donors giving has been to Africa. And now I'm going to add sub-slices, and so I'm going to add what percentage of their total giving has gone to different countries in Africa. So we're going to say 20% of that has gone to Kenya. And you don't have to add percent signs because those will be added automatically. My second sub-series, because these have to add up to 45 here, so I'm going to add another 20%, so it's 20% of the total, and then if you add up these percents of the total, they come up to 45 to Africa, right? So I'm doing this wrong again, Tanzania, and then the percent goes down here in the value field, so 20 to Tanzania, and then we have 5 left, and the 5 is what went to South Africa. So our donor gave 5% of their total giving to South Africa, but if you add up all of their giving to African countries, it adds up to 45% of their giving went to Africa. I'm going to add another series now, another slice of the pie, and this slice is going to be their Latin American giving. And the total value of their Latin American giving is 35% of their total giving. And the first slice of that is going to be 15% total, and the 15% went to Belize. Another 10% went to Colombia. And another 35 total, went to Peru. All right, and then I will add one more slice in here. It's good to only have about 3 slices of a pie. 3 or 4 slices is okay. Before that, you're getting a little excessive, and you might want to consider a column chart. So my last slice, I'm going to go with North America here and put their North America giving in. 20% of their total giving went to North America. And then one of those slices went to British Columbia, Canada. Whoops. There we go. And that is 10 of the 20. And the second sub-slice, which is also 10, went to Florida. And that is our pie chart. So let's save that. See if we can get a look at that in View as Published. So give it 1 second to render here. It's taking a minute because I am authoring in our demo environment, but in the authoring environment, this should be pretty instant. Give it one more second to finish loading. Okay, so here you can see our pie. We've got it color coded. So Africa is 45%, Latin America is 35%, and North America is 20%. This lightest slice here. So as you can see, I can click on any of these individual labels and they will break out the pie to show the different slices, and then the values will be listed under here. Or I can just click on the slice itself to break it out into the sub-slices if there are sub-slices. And that's pretty much it for the pie chart, which we have placed on your giving history page on the portal to give our donors another view of their giving over time.